Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a whole house clean with me. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I thought it was about time I did one. So let's get into the video. So obviously I'm starting off by doing one of those horrible jobs that we never get around to doing, which is cleaning out my tumble dryer. I actually recently got this sort of attachment because I find that a lot of the time the actual attachment on the Hoover doesn't go into area down near where all the fluff goes. So I'm cleaning out, see, I've got a condenser dryer, and as you can see it's full of cat hair and all sorts of things, not been cleaned out for quite a while. So I'm just giving that a bit of a clean, and it does look a little bit gross and disgusting. It is something that you need to keep on top of, to be honest, and I have neglected it a little bit. So yeah, I'm just cleaning that out. Here's my attachment as well. This kind of gets down into all the nooks and crevices in there that the little Hoover attachments doesn't get to. I can leave a link below if you're interested. But I'm just popping the washer on now because I like to have a wash going as I continue to clean the house. So I'm just setting it now. I'm just obviously pondering, I'm not sure what cycle to put it on. So obviously here is the utility all nice and clean and tidy. I did give everything a wipe down as well. I know I didn't quite film everything there. So I'm starting off in the bedroom upstairs. I do like to start from top to bottom. I'm just putting away some bits and pieces, and I'm now picking up the rubbish, sort of empty containers, drinks, cans and whatnot, and glasses. Just folding away some bits and pieces that needed to be put away, and I'm wiping down all of the surfaces. I find that the bedside tables and the tables themselves do get rather dusty in the bedroom. I know we're shedding skin quite regularly and constantly, so it does need to be kept on top of. So I'm going to change the bed as well. Just obviously I like to do this every week, just to make sure that it's nice and fresh. And we have a super king size bed, so I can't deny how difficult it is to try and get that quilt cover back on, but it is. My side of the bed is looking a little bit untidy as well, so I'm just giving it a little tidy up too. Got my bin bag going here, and obviously a collection of handbags and face stuff that's on my bedside table. I'm just spraying this Fabulosa sort of anti-bac thing on the bed just to pick up, just to kill off any sort of germs and whatnot. I've actually washed my little cushions and everything, so I'm just putting the cushions back on. And I'm going to give everywhere a Hoover as well, because obviously, you know, cat hair and our hair and skin cells and all sorts of things get dropped quite regularly, so I like to just run around with the Hoover just to pick up any bits before I actually mop the floor. So I'm just putting away the loo rolls in the cupboard there. And then we've got our ensuite here that needs sprucing up as well. This room definitely needs a refurb, but it is on the list of things to be done. A complete one, that is. The new bathroom and everything needs reinstalling in here. Just cleaning out the shower. Again, it's one of them ones that tasks that you kind of like put off doing, but obviously soap, scum and everything do leave marks on the bottom of the shower tray, so I'm just using this sort of scrubber to get them off. And I am using my wet mop today because this is a full, it's not just sort of like a spruce up with the power mop, this is a full clean, so I want to actually clean the floor as properly as I can possibly do. So this is the bathroom all completed. Everything's tidy, everything's clean, everything's fresh. And coming out of here is the bedroom. I have dressed the bed already, but I didn't film that part. It's got new bedding on there, so everything smells fresh, and I do love it when it's all been cleaned. It's just a shame I cannot keep it this way. But yeah, looking lovely. Right, moving into the hall, I'm just hoovering up, folding up washing in the living room. This is where we have to put our washing at the minute because our little kitten likes to climb the laundry tree here, the sort of area. She likes to climb up it, so we've had to move it into the lounge. So we've got two going. The weather has been nice. I have been hanging stuff out, but if it's been raining, then it obviously has to stay indoors. There's only me and Sam, but we seem to get through quite a lot of washing. Just emptying the dishwasher and putting everything away. I'm having a little bit of a dance here. Actually, you wouldn't realise that I actually cracked up about 15,000 steps just cleaning the house that day. So yeah, if you really want to get your steps up, having a little clean and a little bop around in your kitchen with some music on always helps. There's Tilly. How big is she now? She's so big. So I always like to have a bowl of washing up water because I like to rinse my cloth out quite regularly. Cleaning the microwave there, and I'm just going to buff it up in a second with sort of like an anti-static cloth. Cleaning out inside as well because I think we've had a little bit of spillage, and I think the microwave plate was a bit sticky as well. So I'm just finishing off hoovering the hallway, and I'm just going to move the hoover, I think, into the lounge. Cleaning the console table. This is glass, so it kind of picks up any little dirty finger marks and stuff. So I'm giving this a proper mop as well. Again, not using the power mop today because it needs a good mop. Then in the lounge, again the glass table needs buffing up from finger marks and whatnot. Just tidying the cushions, dusting round everywhere. Then getting the hoover out and just hoovering round. I do like to have lines in my rug. Back in the kitchen, just cleaning up the worktops. Tilly likes to step on there, but I obviously wipe it quite regularly, so I'm aware that, you know, she's sitting on the worktop, but we do clean it quite regularly. She just likes to follow me everywhere. She's here again. She's just following me all over the place. This is our corner that we kind of sit in the evening when we want to sit in the kitchen with Tilly. So we've got a new sofa here. I'm just folding up the throws and everything. We do it sometimes just to protect the sofa in case we have just sit and eat our food there sometimes, so that we don't spill anything. And we just pop it over the couch so that we spill it on the throw instead of on the sofa. So I'm hoovering. I don't really like this rug. It needs to be replaced, but I'm just hoovering that up. It shows every little mark anyway. Hoovering the kitchen. So I'm just finishing off now with mopping the kitchen. So yeah, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it.